Hello friends, good morning. Today I am going to discuss about GST, Goods and Services Tax. Before knowing how GST is implemented, what is GST? Let us know right now. GST is one indirect tax for the whole nation which will make India one unified common market. GST is a single tax on the supply of goods and services right from the manufacturer to the customer or consumer. Credits of input taxes paid at each stage will be available in the subsequent stage of value addition, which makes GST essentially a tax only on value addition at each stage. The final consumer will thus bear only the GST charged by the last dealer in the supply chain, with set of benefits at all previous stages. GST influences mainly business and industry, central and state governments, customer and consumer. GST in India is having two components: Central GST, State GST. Central GST is indicated as CGST. State GST is indicated as SGST. What is this Central GST and State GST? Both center and states will simultaneously levy GST across the value chain. Tax will be levied on every supply of goods and services. Center would levy and collect Central Goods and Services Tax, called CGST, and states would levy and collect the State Goods and Services Tax, SGST, on all transactions within a state. Now, let us know how GST is being started, who have been participated in the GST, and how it came into force, and how at last was implemented. This GST, Goods and Services Tax, was first beginning with the Vajpayee, implemented by Modi. After 17 years, efforts came true. In the year 2000, the idea implementation of GST came over during the period of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, with a committee of C. Rangarajan, I.G. Patel, Bimal Jalan, with West Bengal Finance Minister Asim Das Gupta was formed by Vajpayee. The main aim of this committee was to prepare the features of GST. In order to speed up the GST, One Nation, One Tax implementation, with the leading Vijay Kelkar, a task force was formed. In 12th Economics Committee, Kelkar Committee advised GST to come into force in 2005. Later, in 2010, April 1st, GST would be come into force set by the then Finance Prime Minister Chidambaram and Pranab Mukherjee. But it did not work out then. In 2011, for the implementation of GST, Manmohan government passed a bill in Lok Sabha, but was rejected by BJP, LPT, etc. After that, in West Bengal, Trinamool Congress came into power. GST Committee Chairman Asim Das Gupta was moved away from his position, and Kerala's Finance Minister K.M. Mani was appointed as GST Committee Chairman. In 2015, Finance Minister Arun Jaitley when put a bill in Lok Sabha, Congress opposed it strongly. In 2016, Rajya Sabha passed the bill. At last, in Modi reign, GST One Nation One Tax was implemented on July 1st, 2017. This is all about the history of the GST and how GST works on and influences on various categories. Let us